Hi everyone, in today's Canva tutorial we're going to be taking a look at how we can create a text box and change the background colour of it. Down on the side bar here we are going to select text and we are going to select one of the default text styles and just add a heading. So in there I'm just going to type in hello. As we can see now, the only thing we can change at the moment is the actual colour of the text, and the only way we could change the background is to click on the background, go up to the background colour here and change that. But maybe your design doesn't require you to change the whole background and we just want a text box. It's a shame that Canva doesn't offer that as an option, but there is a really simple workaround, and we're going to go up to elements and we're going to select a square, and now we can change the size of the square to go around our text, and as we can see now it's pink. If we come up here to the colour, we can now select the colour options and we can now change that text box background to be any colour we want, and depending on the design that you are trying to create, you can also change it to be one of the gradient colours, which I think look really cool. If you select the text and hold the shift key and also select the outer background box, this will allow you to resize the text box, and also you can move it around to change the position of it on your design. So that's a really great way of being able to edit the design. If like now the position of it changes, then simply go up to position and you can move it to the back. So we can move the text to the front, we can move the text box to the back. You've got all the options there. Also, if you select the outer box and the text, you can also change the position of where you want the text to be inside the box as well. And this is how I found a workaround of creating a text box around some text and being able to fill in the background colour to a colour of your choice. Thank you very much for watching. If you're enjoying my tutorials and you would like to try out Canva Pro, then please click the link in the description for a free trial, and I will look forward to seeing you again in my next video.